What is going on, guys? Grave here. Today I'd like to talk about some more UI changes for Update 47. And if you're a console player like myself, one of these was directed just at the PS5. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. The first one on the list is fixed an issue where some add-ons were not functioning properly on PS5. Now, of course, we're going to have to wait several weeks after Update 47 is released before we get it here on console. Like always, it's several weeks later than PC. But I did find it kind of interesting in the last week of the public test server for Update 47 that this is one of the general UI fixes. Now, I'm not sure what add-ons were not functioning properly in their mind. I would have kind of liked to have seen this because I know a lot of you are curious to see if this is something to do with the save error code, which has come to be on console since the addition of add-ons. Now, there's a lot of workarounds for that. Some people can get it to work, some people can't. I've not really had a big problem with it since I made that video of how I corrected my issue, but I know all people use different add-ons. So everyone out there might be using something different than I am. So you could get that error code. So I'm kind of curious if that's going to fix this or if they're just meaning add-ons not working properly in general within the game, and that is what they're doing here. I really would like to have seen some developer notes on this or got a better explanation, but we may have to wait until the final patch notes come out for Update 47 when it is released on console. They also corrected missing icons for quest rewards. You no longer soft lock on the gamepad character select menu, and the new item indicator will now properly clear for items placed in the vault. And that was one that I have seen some people report as a bug. I've not personally had that issue myself. I don't know if it was a console issue or if it was, a just maybe a PC issue, or if everyone was experiencing this. I have not had that problem, but that was something that they did decide to go ahead and fix as well. Now, it wasn't a whole lot of changes in the last week for the public test server with Update 47, but these were some interesting things here because sometimes we get a lot of UI fixes within the first week, and then they kind of trickle off towards the end, and sometimes they kind of put them in every so often throughout the test cycle itself. But I did find that one, especially since I'm a console player, talking about issues with add-ons not functioning properly on PS5 was kind of an interesting one. By them not saying, PlayStation and Xbox, or, PS5 and Xbox Series S and X, I'm kind of wondering what these issues were. Let me know if you've had any problems with, your add-ons just not working or functioning correctly. Because like I said, I know a lot of you are out there, and I was curious myself when I saw this, would this be some type of fix for that save error code? Because that is very annoying. I mean, some people are even talking about going back in and deleting all, of course, their game save data and all of their add-ons, and not even using add-ons until that was fixed because they kept getting it so often. And when you do get it, believe me, when I first started getting it, it was annoying. It happens every just couple of seconds. It'll just pop up, and ask you to save, try to save again, or no to not save again. But then at that point, any setting you've saved for your add-ons will not be saved. So it was kind of a problem. And I'm hoping that this could maybe possibly be a fix for that. We'll just have to wait and see, like I said, when Update 47 releases for PS5, Xbox Series S, and Xbox Series X. But leave me a comment, let me know what you think about these general changes for UI. Like I said, these are some just simple things, but also some pretty useful things. A lot of their UI changes sometimes are good quality of life fixes or just bug fixes. I thought some of you might be curious, and some of these changes that were coming with Update 47, no matter what platform you play on. Leave me a comment with your thoughts, and of course, if you like the video, hit the like. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.